Hello guys, we're back with the project. You should already know this, the BlockDAG, the one of the most advanced layer 1 blockchains with the one of the highest actual transaction speed currently in the market that will for sure revolutionize the cryptocurrency space. And today we're gonna talk about the new Keynote video. So there's like the technical video about the project, about the what is going to happen in the near future. But before start project, small disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor and all you should do own research and invest if the money can afford to lose. So today we are covering the BlockDAG, the Keynote video, and we're gonna talk about the all good stuff from the project. But before we start, what's very important, the project has like the huge success already. The price of the token already increased by the 850%. So as you can see, there is a huge interest actually in the project. They are constantly releasing the new updates. $45 million rise so far. So as you can see, huge amount of the money actually rise on the BlockDAG. They have the beta of the App Store and the Google Play application. They release actually the 47 updates, almost daily updates right now on the project. So as you can see, the massive amount of the updates currently happening. The amount of the influencers that actually cover the project is insane, since everybody is actually talking about the BlockDAG. And as you can see, we can check it out actually. So for currently the price of the one token is up over the 1 cent per the one BlockDAG. So as you can see, the price actually increased by a lot. And as you can see, the on the leaderboard there are the people that actually hoard over $1 million in the BlockDAG. So as you can see, there is a huge amount of people that actually bought like the massive amount of the coins, and this is a really good sign about the projects, is the ways that are actually interested in the investing in this project. So as you can see, there is like the huge popularity, and also not only you can buy coins, but of course the miners, since there is like the miners that you can get on the site and start mining the BlockDAG. And as you can see, they sold over 7,000 miners with the $3 million in the transactions. So there is a pretty nice number. So let's actually jump to the Keynote video, since we are here to actually talk about the Keynote. So there is a Keynote that was released like the 4 days ago, and as you can see, the last Keynote video was released like the over 8 months ago. So they have the 8 months of constant work on the project. So there is a lot of things to actually talk about. So as you can see, this video is actually on.
Welcome to our second Keynote.
So there is that definitely like the jump in the production team. So they make like some changes to actually jump from like the stage to actually to the moon. So there is a pretty nice. So let's actually watch the video and talk about the key features.
Brought to you from the moon. But before we get into that though, I wanted to address one thing. Most of you thought the last presenter was AI. So here's proof that I'm 100% human. Today we're delving into the release of the X1 app, updates on our blockchain, our all-human team docs, global marketing updates, and our significant roadmap enhancements. Stay tuned to the very end, where we've got all the answers to all your questions. Now, join us as we explore the milestones we've achieved, the recognition by prestigious publications such as Forbes and Bloomberg, all bolstered by the support of influential voices in the crypto space.
Yeah, so as I told before, guys, the project is actually covered by the massive amount of the media, influencers, and all that people that actually believe in the project. And as you can see, the price of the coins actually telling that the interest in the project is actually massive. $48 million actually in the pre-sale is a pretty nice like the result. And as I told you before, they are releasing like the new things currently in the video, like the application ecosystem and all that thing. So
from the launch of our mainnet to the expansion of our ecosystem, each milestone brings us closer to realizing our vision of a decentralized world. To showcase our efforts, we've released over 45 development updates, and you can find all of the latest exciting news on the Dev Releases section of our official website. These detailed updates provide specific information on all aspects of our daily development and are released every week, Monday to Friday. BlockDAG's detailed acyclic graph implementation is designed to handle concurrent operations efficiently and can optionally support persistence to disk, enabling.
As you can see, there is a really important aspect, since as you can see, the blockchain actually is working like the chain of the like the transactions. So the basically like the this can work pretty slow, and as you can see on the BlockDAG, there is like the different connections with the different nodes, which actually can speed up the transactions massively, and this will actually come up with the BlockDAG. So we will see like the insane like the transaction time. So this will definitely be used in like the financial sectors, where you need to have like the instant trades and so on. So it's the like this lightning speed of the block that will be really useful for things like that.
The DAG to be saved and loaded across sessions while maintaining its structure and data integrity. This implementation provides a flexible and scalable solution for managing complex dependencies and relationships in a variety of scenarios, all of which means that we can effortlessly attain the speed and security we have always promised. Unlike traditional blockchain structures, DAG-based proof-of-work consensus eliminates the need for miners by allowing multiple transactions to be confirmed simultaneously, thus improving scalability. By implementing a proof-of-work consensus mechanism with a directed acyclic graph, we ensure each transaction or event in the DAG requires validation through proof-of-work, where nodes compete to solve cryptographic puzzles in order to add new blocks or transactions to the graph. However, this comes with its own challenges, such as maintaining graph integrity, preventing double spending attacks, and managing transaction ordering. With BlockDAG, nodes must reach a consensus on valid transactions based on the cumulative proof of work done by preceding transactions, ensuring the security and reliability of the DAG. BlockDAG proof of work is integrated with BlockDAG using multiple protocols, including transaction issuance, conflict resolution, proof of work verification, and consensus establishment. This ensures the network benefits from the security guarantees of proof of work, whilst leveraging the scalability and flexibility of DAG structures to achieve high transaction throughput and fast confirmation times. This hybrid approach offers a promising solution for building efficient and secure decentralized ledger systems. Our DAG formation algorithm forms DAG by initially creating a genesis block. Nodes then form their own blocks, referencing the genesis blocks of round one. This is repeated infinitely, with nodes referencing multiple blocks formed in the initial round. The DAG ordering algorithm consumes the DAG from the previous round and outputs a list of blocks ordered in some topological manner. This is achieved by creating an empty list once the DAG has been received. DAG traversal is then initiated in a breadth first seen, with blocks ordered in some topological manner at every depth and blocks being inserted into the list. Let's introduce you to low code, no code. This will allow users to create, manage, and deploy software applications by dragging and dropping programs.
So this is actually a very interesting feature. So before that, there was like this all like the technical stuff, like the knowledge about the project. But now there's like the presentation of the no code, like the features of the project. So basically, we'll be able to create the smart contract without even knowledge of the like the coding, how to make like the programs. You just basically need to drag like the functions that you want to connect to each other, and this will create the like the smart contract in the BlockDAG network. So this will be a really interesting like the feature to actually introduce in the project. So as you can see, the low code, no code feature is a pretty nice. So basically you'll be able to call the functions, so the developers will benefit from accelerated prototyping and reduced development time. So this will be a very useful for the gaming industry, the financial industry, so the basically for the industries that actually require the really low the transaction time, latency, and so on. So basically this stuff. So next we have the more and more the technical stuff, which come up with the also BlockDAG applications, so release of the applications. So this is a pretty nice. Then we have the some graphs of the transactions. So as you can see, there is a, as I told you before, amount of the transactions currently
contract transaction.
The ecosystem is insane. There is over the $46 million currently in the pre-sale. Next we have the amount of the dollars that they raise per day, so there is a pretty nice. The amount of the influencers, as I told before, is also insane. So the basically everyone in the space is currently talking about the project. Next up is a giveaway, so they are currently having the
and because of our belief
giveaway.
In the project, we're rewarding 50 early adopters with the opportunity to win a share of $2 million. With over 60,000 entries already and 2 months left to go, the opportunity to win is open to all. Just follow the steps on the page. Now,
so just scan the QR code, get the free entry to the giveaway, and complete the simple steps to actually get the chance to win a share of the $2 million. So this is a pretty nice money. So next, as you can see,
more detailed answers on our FAQ.
More details, the frequently asked questions, and so on. So if you have the more the questions about the project, about the the whole idea, the keynotes, or the other the concerns, you should definitely take a look at the frequently asked questions about the project. Also take a look at the DAG paper, which is a white paper of the project, the updated V2 version, since there is the all information about the project in this the documentation. If you want to buy the coins, don't forget that you can go to the BlockDAG account, log in with the any the MetaMask address. Also there is the Trust wallet you can that you can log in with and try. You can buy the coins for the 1 cent currently, which will increase to the higher price in our next batch. So you should definitely check out the buy page to actually get the coins at the earlier stage to get the more out of your investment. And if you want to join this project, just go to the BlockDAG and check this project by yourself.